when the family is small, whatever little they have, they are able to share their recipes. Good morning, Rainbow. I, Rainbow Soham Thawani, with my co-anchor Rainbow Bhanupriya, welcome you all on the occasion of World Population Day. Growing population is the primary source of environmental damage. It's time to take a stand and raise awareness. Let us join our hands, protect and participate in God's creation on this special day. So join your hands, close your eyes, start prayer. I would like to invite prayer girls for prayer.
Myself, Rainbow Rishika Dadi, on the behalf of Class 4C, today I am presenting an English thought. Every pollution is a root problem of all the environment issues. If you can control the population, you can control almost everything. I repeat my thoughts. Everything is a root problem of all the environment issues. If you can control the population, you can control almost everything. Thank you. मैं रेम्बो प्यारी रत्ना कक्षा चतुर्थ सी की तरफ से विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस पर अपना सुविचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। बच्चों को ईश्वर का उपहार ना बताओ, अंधविश्वास से आबादी मत बढ़ाओ। मैं अपना सुविचार पुण्य दोहराना चाहती हूँ। बच्चों को ईश्वर का उपहार ना बताओ, अंधविश्वास से आबादी मत बताओ। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन मंगल हो।
World Population Day is the focus the world attention on the importance of population issues every year. The United Nations celebrates the day on a particular theme. The theme for this year is a world of 8 billion towards a future for all opportunities and basic rights and choice for all. What does the theme suggest? What the purpose and importance of this day?
Teachers and all my friends, I, Ringu Sophia, on behalf of Class 4C, is going to speak a few words on World Population Day. Every year, World Population Day is celebrated on 11 July. It was celebrated for the first time in 1987. This day is intended to raise awareness of the growing global population. Population growth of the bad for the environment. The restrict the population, the government has tired numerous measures. The quality of life has declining as the population grows. For anyone to live better lives, a population decrease in Tunisia. Thank you. Good morning, principal sir, director sir, teachers, and all my friends. I, Ringu Rishabh Kumar, behalf of Class 4C, is going to speak a few words on World Population Day. हर साल 11 जुलाई को विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस मनाया जाता है। 1987 पहला वर्ष था जब पूरे विश्व में इस दिवस को मान्यता दी गई और मनाया गया। संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ ने पहली बार इस दिवस को गढ़ा था। विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस मनाने का प्राथमिक उद्देश्य तेजी से बढ़ती आबादी की चिंता का समाधान करना है। बढ़ती आबादी पृथ्वी और पर्यावरण पर विपरीत World population is increasing very fast. Are we prepared to take care of us all? Poverty, inequality, pollution, these are the issues of overpopulation. Let us take a step in that direction, control population to remain away from starvation. Let us take on as a citizen of Earth, give this planet what is deserved. Everyone will be happy if we control population. Thank you.
मैम पीछे से बुलाना है।
My name is Jinita Loya on the behalf of class 5th C. Today I am present English news. India biggest in pact to boost maritime blue economy is sees 144 imposed in Jodhpur, 51 arrested after chase airport. Center pact with tells staff to be in office by 9:1.5 am or lost 1-2 days CL. Gallup cuts free smartphone SIMs for women put on hold.